This is a video walkthrough tour of 4761 East Moreland Street in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this gorgeous remodeled townhome with lots of upgrades. It features beautiful wood-look flooring throughout, neutral paint colors, white shaker cabinets, and granite counters. The kitchen offers black appliances, while the inside laundry comes with a stacked washer and dryer. This home is just minutes from Tempe, downtown Phoenix and Scottsdale, as well as Sky Harbor Airport, Light Rail Line, Papago Park, and Phoenix Zoo. Here we have a downstairs powder room that's convenient for guests. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, www.leaseaz.com. You've got a full bathroom upstairs with a 12 by 24 tile shower surround, as well as LED lighting, a tankless water heater, and ceiling fans in every room. Again, this home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, www.leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's www.leaseaz.com. Thank you for watching today's tour of this wonderful townhome in Phoenix. Have a great day.